Hey freebies, I've got a Spanish groove to share with you for you to be able to practice your A minor, E minor, D minor, and E major chords. I'll drop the chord charts in the video just as a quick reference for you. Let's jam. A quick tip before we jump into this: E, E major, and A minor both have patterns that keep these two fingers together, and so just think of them as one unit hopping back and forth. Also, E major and A minor are the exact same shape, just one string apart. All right, here we go. This first time through, we're gonna play it slower with quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, E minor. A minor, A minor, back to E minor, E minor, back to A minor. Here comes D minor, going back to A minor, and then we're going to go to E major, same shape, and end on A minor. All right, let's do that again at a slightly quicker tempo, and I'm going to start adding some rhythm to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor, A minor, E minor, A minor, D minor, A minor, E major, A minor. If you're wondering what I'm doing to make the rhythm sound a little bit more interesting, I'm basically just doing a bass pluck, and then I'm doing a drawn out strum, or what we might call raking, across the strings to start with. So bass, rake, and then strum. I'll show you on E minor. Bass, rake, strum. Bass, rake, strum. Let's play it one more time through, just a little bit faster. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed that Spanish groove. It's one of my favorites to play with my beginning students. To catch more quick guitar lessons and practice videos, hit subscribe. Steppable, stackable, fast and free. Have your guitar lessons your way. Music is for everyone.